Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be learning Cout in C++. So if you guys have any programming experience in C, you must have used a function called printf to print something to the screen. You know which is the console screen, and in C++ we are going to be using Cout, which offer more features than printf. So Cout stands for console output, which is an object of OStream class, and it is an output stream, and whatever we write this output stream will be printed out on the screen. So first we are going to see how to use this to print something or some text to the screen. So we are going to be using Cout, and then we need to use an operator called stream insertion operator, which is nothing but two less than symbols. And then we need to specify the text or the string that we want to print to the screen. So I'm going to use double quotes because you know string is written in double quotes only. Next thing is we want to add new line, then I'm going to use endl keyword following with stream insertion operator and with semicolon. Now let's run this program. As you can see, our string is displaying here. So the thing is, whatever we entered here, the text Cout is printed onto the console window or the screen, and here we can change whatever the string or the output we want to print to the screen. Here if I want to print something else along with that previous line, that is, hi, this is Cout tutorial. For that I need to use the stream insertion operator again, following with the string that we want to print. So I'm using stream insertion operator again with the new string. Let's run this program to see the output. Here you can see the new string is displaying in new line with the help of endl keyword. If I want to print some variables, suppose that I have a variable of name which is string type. Let's initialize this variable to some string and with semicolon, and I have a variable of age that is int type. Let's initialize this to 24 and with semicolon. And if I want to print these values by using Cout, so how we can do this? For that we need to give variable name following with the stream insertion operator in Cout. If I give like this, so our name and age will print after this string. So to avoid this, we need to add endl keyword. It will print our name and age in a new line. Now let's run this program to see the output. As you can see, our name and age is displaying in a new line. If I want to print the name and age with space, so how I can do this? Just I need to add the empty string following with the stream insertion operator. To create empty string, we need to give two double quotes and a single space here. Now let's run this to see the output. As you can see, our name and age is displaying with space. Alright, that's all for this video. If you guys have any suggestion, don't hesitate to put a comment, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.